Removing annotation from a land title. Question: how do I remove an annotation from a land title? Answer: removing an annotation from a land title in the Philippines requires a formal process, and the specific steps depend on the type of annotation and the circumstances surrounding it. Here's a breakdown of the general process and key considerations. 1. Identify the annotation. Review your certificate of title CT. Carefully examine your CT to identify the exact nature of the annotation, such as a mortgage, lien, easement, or adverse claim. Understand the legal basis. Determine the legal basis for the annotation, for example, a mortgage agreement, a court order, or a registered claim. 2. Determine the grounds for removal. Fulfillment of obligation. If the annotation secures a debt or obligation, like a mortgage, determine if the obligation has been fully satisfied. Expiration of legal interest. Some annotations, like a notice of lis pending lawsuit, may expire after a specific period or when the lawsuit is resolved. Void or improper annotation. If the annotation was placed on the title due to fraud, mistake, or error, you may have grounds for removal. Mutual agreement. In some cases, you and the party who placed the annotation may agree to its removal. 3. Choose the appropriate method. Voluntary cancellation. If the annotation is based on a fulfilled obligation or mutual agreement, you can file a petition for cancellation of encumbrance with the Register of Deeds where the property is located. Requirements: you'll need your original CT, a verified petition, 2 copies of your valid ID, and a Registry of Deeds application form. Timeframe: the Register of Deeds will review your petition and, if everything is in order, will cancel the annotation. Judicial cancellation. If the annotation cannot be removed voluntarily, you'll need to file a lawsuit in the Regional Trial Court RTC where the property is located. Grounds: you'll need to establish legal grounds for removal, such as expiration of the annotation invalidity or a court order procedure. The court will hear the case, review evidence, and issue an order for cancellation if it finds your claim valid. 4. Legal assistance. Consult a lawyer. It's highly recommended to consult with a real estate lawyer to understand the specific requirements, procedures, and legal implications of removing the annotation. Title transfer service providers. Consider seeking assistance from title transfer service providers in the Philippines to guide you through the process and ensure it's done correctly.